Hello, awesome person. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, that's awesome. Then just welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. I do unboxings, makeup try-ons, and I throw in all kinds of things to keep you on your toes. And today, I want to play with some makeup. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, keep watching. So today I want to play with this little palette right here. It is the 3A Deep Smoky palette. So I went ahead and swatched them for you. That top one is Flash, the middle one is Smoky, and the bottom one is Darkness. I don't do very many neutral or brown dark looks or whatever, so I figured this palette would be perfect. And I haven't even touched it yet, so before I get too ahead of myself, I do need to do my brows and my eye primer. So I got my brows done and I got my eye primer done. So the first color that I'm going to use is this color right here. It is Smoky. Sometimes you've got to blend and blend and blend. You see how the blending is kind of giving it like a little smoky effect. So we're going to be satisfied with that. And once that's all done, I'm going to go in with Darkness. Happy with that. Fun fact, when I was doing my left eye, I'm not sure what happened, but I don't know if I put too much primer on, not enough primer, but the eye started looking really funny and flaky, and there was no saving it, so I had to start all over, but I didn't record it because I'd already recorded it, so I just did the makeup the exact same way. And then I cleaned up around my eyes just a little bit. So the next shade I'm going to go in with is Flash. That's okay. And I do have to say, since I had to redo my eye look, I didn't use primer this time because I wasn't sure if it was my primer or if it was a mix between the makeup and the primer, because I don't think I've ever really had that happen before. So I'm not sure what happened, but using it without the primer, I think it goes on better. I think it blends better, and I think it looks better. So if you ever get this palette and you want to try it out, I suggest to try it without a primer first, and you might be happy with it. All right, so I've got both my eyes done, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I finished the rest of my face, and I used my No Problem primer. Then I went in with my BB Beauty Benefit Cream that I got at the dollar store for $1. I put my lashes on, and I used my Lily lashes to do the lashes and the under lashes. Then I used my Phase Zero, and I used those two colors right there. Then I went in with my Cali Glow for my highlight, and I used Malibu for here, and then I put a little bit up here. And for my lipstick, it is my Jouer in the shade Bond. I love this lipstick, but I shouldn't have wore it because my lips are dry. And look, you can tell where the dry patches are, but I didn't know that because it's the first time I've wore this since my lips have gotten dry. But this is my final look. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. Do you think I should do more browns, or do you think I should stick with my colors? Let me know. I do hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Remain awesome, and peace out, awesome crew.